I welcome you to Ashutosh Academy. Today we are gonna solve some problems on L hospital rule. Okay, I have a question here that says that the limit of this whole function is giving you 2. Then what should be the value of this? So to solve this problem, first you'll have to see that is it fitting in the problem as L hospital rule is it valid here or not. We'll check that. We put x is equals to 0 in the whole function. You'll see e to the power 0, that will be 1, a minus, so you'll see this a minus b cos 0, that will be your 1, a minus b plus c whole divided by 0. So obviously if denominator is 0, then numerator should be 0 to follow L hospital rule method. So what we are going to do is we can draw an inference from here, and that will be that a minus b plus c should be 0. This is our first equation. Okay, now what we are going to do is now we'll be applying L hospital rule and differentiate the numerator and denominator both. So after applying L hospital rule, okay, LHR, L hospital rule, so if you apply it, you'll see what will be the differentiation. E to the power x will be e to the power x only, so a e to the power x plus b sine x plus minus c e to the power minus x whole divided by cos x sine x. I hope you know how to differentiate, and if you don't know how to differentiate, then see my other videos on differentiation. So we've reached till this point. Now again we are going to put limit x tends to 0 in the whole function, and then we'll see that this whole quantity will be a only, then this should be x sine 0 is 0 plus 0, then minus of c whole to the divided by 0. Again we can see that it should be 0 by 0 form, then only we'll get a perfect answer for this question. It should follow L hospital rule again. So we have reached to this point that this should be 0. Okay, this is our second inference that we've got till now. Again the next step is that you differentiate the function again. You'll have to differentiate till the time you don't receive your whole exact answer. So let's differentiate again. We'll see limit x tends to 0, a e to the power x plus b cos x plus c e to the power minus x whole divided by cos x minus x sin x plus cos x equal to 2. Now let's just put x is equals to 0 in again this whole function, and now this time you'll see that the value comes out to be a plus cos 0 is 1 plus b plus c whole divided by 2, because cos 0 is 1 1 and this is 0. 1 plus 1 2 is equal to 2. So we've reached till this point, and I guess this is the required answer that they've asked in the question. So we've solved this question. Let's see another set of problems. So let's solve this. Limit x to the power x tends to 0, and you've got a question. Okay, so first of all the first step says that you need to put x tends to 0 in the whole function. Then you'll get what? Then you'll get, obviously you can put it and you'll get this form here. So to solve these type of problems, you'll have to apply L hospital rule. So let's apply L hospital rule here, and you will see that the value comes out to be 0 plus 1 plus 2x minus e to the power x whole to the divided by 2x. Again you put the value x tends to 0 in the function, and then you will see what? 1 plus 0 minus 1 whole divided by 0. Again it is 0 by 0 form. So you need to apply L hospital rule again. Let's apply L hospital rule to this question again. You'll see again 0 plus 0 plus 2 minus e to the power x whole divided by 2. So this is our exact value that we've got. Now you can put x tends to 0 here. it would be e to the power 0, that will be 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is half. I hope you've understood this question. Let's take another example. Let's solve this problem. This says that for some it's given in the question that f of a and g of a is k for some value of k for the two functions, and the nth derivative or the order derivatives fn of a and gn of a exists, and they are not equal. Obviously they won't be equal, the functions would be different, that is why they're not equal. So you've got this, and now the question says that limit of this whole function is equals to 4. Find the value of k. How are you going to solve this? Let's put the simplest method here, that says put x tends to a in the function, and you will get what? G of a will be k again. K square in the numerator minus f of a is again k minus g of a into f of a. Again, you just have to replace x by a everywhere. So this quantity will again be k square plus k. And in the denominator, you'll find again k minus k. So again, we've reached till this point. This is our form. So we can say that this question can be solved by using L'Hospital rule only. Let's use L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. Then after applying L'Hospital rule, apply L'Hospital rule. So you'll get limit x tends to a. You just simply have to differentiate. So in the numerator, f of a is a constant. It's given in the question, so it won't be differentiated. F of a into g of x can be differentiated. You will reach till this point 0 minus g of a is again a constant. It won't be differentiated, and f dash of x plus g of a is again constant. And in the denominator, you will see g dash of x minus f dash of x, whole value equal to 4. So let's take it to another step. So we reached till this point, and this tells us that this is differentiable, and as the question says that f of a is equal to g of a equal to k. This is given in the question. Okay, so if this is given, and obviously they've said that the question exists for the g dash values, so now you have to put f of a and g of a as k in the question. So you will get what? Limit x tends to a, k times g dash of x minus k times f dash of x, whole divided by g dash of x minus f dash of x. So now you can take common g dash of x minus f dash of x from above numerator, and you will see limit x tends to a. You will be left out with only k, and that value is equals to 4. So after putting this limit, you will get that k is equal to 4 as an answer. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Ashutosh Academy.